All this feels so familiar. The scenery seems so similar. Knowing that I've been here before. I've walked through this door and I've rocked this stage. Been in this place and I've seen your face. It's like a memory that pops up suddenly. Distinctly tells me that I've done this, but I can't find it on my checklist. It's like a game of Guess Who, jogging your memory for all the clues. Like a slideshow you begin to view. It's kinda crazy, but I hope you think maybe you're in the right place at the right time. You be in His will, so shine your light. And if there's a crowd, then it's time to amuse, entertain and make real this deja vu.
These depictions you sending, oh Lord, I'm loving.
All of these visions you give and keep coming.
These depictions you sending, oh Lord, I'm loving.